Welcome to the Eagle Eye University hands-on demo of how to physically attach a camera to a bridge and then add the camera to an end-user sub-account. Before we begin, let's take a look at what supplies will be needed to attach the camera to the bridge. For this demo, I will be using 3 Ethernet cables. Then you need the camera or cameras you wish to attach to the sub-account. For this demo, we are using a generic digital IP camera powered over Ethernet. Next, you will need a switch. For this video, we're using the Eagle Eye 9-port managed switch. This switch has 8 PoE ports and 1 uplink port. From there, we have an Eagle Eye Bridge 304. The Bridge 304 comes equipped with multiple USB ports in case an installer needs to connect a keyboard to install or troubleshoot the device. There is also a display port and an HDMI port for users to connect an external local display, a CAMLAN and WAN port for connecting cameras to the network, and an external power supply. And lastly, you will need to be able to access your router so that you can attach the bridge to the network. Now that we have gone over all of the necessary supplies, let's begin physically connecting all of our devices. First, attach all of the power supplies to the switch, the bridge, the router, and to the camera if necessary. Next, attach the camera to the Eagle Eye managed switch via Ethernet cable into one of the switch's 8 PoE ports. From there, connect the switch to the Eagle Eye Bridge 304 by connecting an Ethernet cable from the switch uplink port into the bridge CAMLAN port. It's incredibly important to make sure that the switch is attached to the CAMLAN port and not the WAN port, because attaching the switch to the WAN port will leave a user's network open to unrestricted outside access. Once you have attached the switch to the bridge CAMLAN port, use the final Ethernet cable to attach the bridge to the router from the bridge WAN port to the router network port. With the physical connections complete, the next step in the process is to attach the Bridge 304 to a customer account. To do this, open your internet browser and navigate to login.eagleeyetworks.com and enter your login credentials. If you have logged in as a reseller, enter the sub-account that you wish to add the bridge to by clicking on the button that looks like an eyeball beside the sub-account name. This will place you in the dashboard of the end-user sub-account. Once you are in the end-user dashboard, you should see a section titled Bridges and Cameras with a yellow plus symbol in the top right corner of the section. Click on that yellow plus symbol and a pop-up window will open prompting users to attach a bridge using the attach ID and to name the bridge. After confirming the attach ID, the bridge will be attached to the account, and upon startup, the bridge will ensure all software is up to date before allowing users to add cameras.